Hello Senegalese family, welcome back to Episode Valley. Today we are breaking down the official trailer for TAKKEMA Season 1 Episode 14. This trailer marks a major turning point for the series. What begins as family disagreement and domestic tension is now evolving into something much bigger. A battle involving careers, social reputation, hidden agendas, and power struggles. Let's dive into the biggest developments revealed in the trailer. First, we have Mariama's growing corporate crisis. The trailer places a strong focus on the collapse of the balance between Mariama's professional life and her family responsibilities. After the discussions about remote work in the previous episode, we now see the harsh reality of that agreement. Instead of giving her freedom and flexibility, working from home seems to expose her to constant pressure from the extended family. Several scenes shows Mariama looking overwhelmed and she tries to manage important international business communications while dealing with growing tensions at home. The trailer suggests that her career ambitions are increasingly being viewed as a threat, not only by the people within her workplace but also by members of her own family. As the pressure intensifies, Mariama may soon be forced to make an impossible choice between protecting her financial independence and preserving stability within her marriage. Next, we move to Aziz and the hidden network operating behind the scenes. The secret conversation, phone calls, and digital maneuvering introduced in episode 13 appear to become far more dangerous in this new chapter. Aziz's influence hangs over the entire trailer. Several tense moments suggest that confidential information, financial records, or personal secrets may soon be exposed. The trailer repeatedly shows characters reading messages, receiving phone calls, and reacting to what appear to be serious ultimatums. This strongly suggests that someone's true background is being investigated, whether it involves the fiance's financial situation or hidden details surrounding the marriage arrangement. It looks like a major secret is about to come to light. Now let's talk about Seynabou and what could become her biggest public reckoning yet. The neighborhood gossip that has been building throughout recent episodes finally appears ready to explode into open confrontation. The trailer shifts outside the family compounds and into public spaces where the community itself becomes a powerful force. Questions surrounding Seynabou's personal life, her claims of motherhood, and her marital status appear to be attracting increasing public scrutiny. What was once whispered behind closed doors now seems ready to be discussed openly. Several scenes show Seynabou looking isolated and under pressure as the people around her begin demanding answers. The trailer suggests that maintaining appearance without the support and validation of community comes at a very high social cost. From production standpoint, EvenProd delivers one of the season's most intense trailers so far. Fast-paced editing, dramatic sound design, and colder visual tones create an atmosphere filled with anxiety and confrontations. The romantic optimism that defined earlier episodes has almost completely disappeared. Every major character appears trapped, concerned, and facing difficult decisions. All signs points to episode 14 becoming one of the most explosive and consequential episodes of the season. Finally, the trailer confirms the official broadcast details. TAKKEMA Season 1 Episode 14 will air on Thursday at 8:30 pm. Viewers can watch the episode on the EvenProd YouTube channel and on Cine TV. What do you think will happen in episode 14? Will Mariama protect her career or will family pressure force her to compromise? What secret is Aziz preparing to reveal? And can Seynabou survive the growing scrutiny from her community? Let us know your predictions in the comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notification for TAKKEMA breakdowns and previews. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video. This is Episode Valley signing off.